Okay, SHIB. People want to know SHIB. Thanks to my one subscriber. Oh, I think my son wants me to change the show on TV right now. He didn't want to go to daycare today. But these charts have to go out. The show must go on. Okay, so people requested to have SHIB. You know what? I'm not in SHIB. I don't. SHIB is great. It's just another Dogecoin. When it blows, it blows. Unfortunately, already has. I mean, it's already gone up. What was that 1,000 all the way to a high of 3,500? If you didn't sell that, I mean, why are you still holding it? Hopefully, you sold up here and you rebought because this is a rebuy point. This is definitely, you can see all the hodlers who definitely did and have no idea what they're doing. But that's okay because this is crypto and it invites complete new people to the game. People have never traded before, and that's all right. Okay, let's adjust our level 2. Okay, so this is something we can actually deal with here. Let's take a look at our level 2. Oof, yeah, see people... I actually haven't looked at this chart probably in months. I have no idea. I've not been following it just because of this spike. Anything that spiked and you get a drawback like that, I mean, it's just... it sucks. It really sucks. But then again, Dogecoin and all those other coins are kind of in the same consolidation too. But at least, I mean, hopefully people bought down here in this zone. So they're still about par value, hopefully, right? Okay, let's get into it. Okay, we are pulling a bounce now, which is fantastic. Hopefully this trend continues. And if it's anything, the following and pairing Dogecoin and Pepe coin, it is looking now bullish, finally. It could just be a bounce though, unfortunately, like it did right here after our downtrend. But as you can see in the past, what year was this? This is 21. 21. These guys blow every 4 years. That's only 3 years apart. Yeah, I wouldn't be in this one right now if I was Shiba holders. I really wouldn't. Just for the fact of like there's other coins that are more prosperous, I mean, you could buy down in this. I think this is the cheapest you can get before the next run. It's definitely going to blow again for sure. Don't get me wrong, but it's going to be down the road and the mainstream market will move ahead of that. So what I would mark this down as the next coin to come into once the market moves, primarily Dogecoin, Pepe. Yeah. So yeah, I mean, what zone are we here? Are we in this zone? Are we in this zone? It's hard to say, obviously. It's definitely a consolidation phase and time will tell. I do believe it is not going to actually break out. I just don't get that feeling. It's just telling me. It's whispering to me. So we are going to get something like this trough zone. And what's going to happen is that we're going to actually see, let's get our brush again, this curve like this, like that. So I think the crossover point is right around here. Yeah, so that would be in November. So, pretty much if you're in it, I mean, yeah, try to sell out and go elsewhere for the time being. And you can come back in the fall. We're definitely going to see that come back in the fall. It will run for sure. Definitely bullish, right? For sure. But not now. Definitely not now. Yeah, I think this is going to be a little bit of a dead cat back up to 2,200. And then hopefully you sell then. Yeah, I would definitely be selling around then and buying back in November. Or if you want to wait till November, remember the 5th of November. Buy SHIB. There you go. So that's what I would do, and that's what I just by just checking these charts. What's L2 showing right now? I'm going to zoom all the way out. I've been waiting long enough, and now it should show something. Okay, what do we have? Orders all the way up to 20. We're at 2, so a 10 bagger, 10x. Yeah, for sure. Why not? I mean, this is the crypto market, right? What would that be? Where would that leave us? All the way up to here? Yeah. I mean, if we keep this trend up as the one I already showed, for sure, without a doubt. There we are. So we can see right here, we've already got 20 on the wall. We're not even at 2. So that's definitely a nice run for sure, right? What would be, if we keep that trend, what would be the time frame for that? February next year, springtime? Yeah, and that's what I'm kind of seeing mainstream for the mainstream market as well, between spring and the summer for the all-time high, tapering off next year in the fall. So there you go. I hope that helps. And see you later. Don't forget to like and subscribe.